Brabus has once again taken the legendary Mercedes G-Class and transformed it into something truly wild, the Brabus XLP 800 6x6 Adventure. This is not just another modified SUV, it is a full-blown six-wheel drive beast that blends extreme off-road engineering with unmistakable Brabus styling. Instead of keeping the traditional SUV layout, Brabus built a massive steel frame to convert it into a pickup truck. It now measures 245 inches in length, has an 18.6-inch ground clearance, and a wheelbase stretched by 60.2 inches. Behind the rear seat sits a new rear wall, while the cargo bed is lined with elegant soft teak paneling. A power retractable step makes climbing in easier, and a sturdy dual roll bar with two powerful LED lights adds utility and presence. Brabus fitted portal axles for unmatched off-road capability and equipped the chassis with an adjustable damping system that can be controlled directly from the cabin. The six wheels are 9.5 by 22 inches in size, wrapped in chunky 325 by 55 tires tucked under extra-wide arches with exposed carbon trim. Additional carbon fiber elements complete the body kit, giving the truck an aggressive yet polished look. Practical touches include rear doors that open 90 degrees for easier access and illuminated running boards connected to power steps. Inside, the cabin has been reupholstered with black leather, accented by red stitching and high-gloss carbon inserts. It offers seating for 5 passengers, with 2 in the front and 3 in the back, delivering a mix of rugged functionality and luxury. Under the hood, the 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine has been fitted with 2 upgraded superchargers, pushing output to 789 brake horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent to all 3 axles through a 9-speed automatic transmission. Despite its massive size, it can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 5.8 seconds, while the top speed is electronically limited to 130 miles per hour to protect the off-road tires. Pricing starts at €1,161,000, about $1,350,580 for export markets, excluding the 19% value-added tax. This machine is not just a vehicle, it is a statement of extreme capability, luxury, and exclusivity. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more incredible builds like this.